this is a little trip into Birmingham to try out the bike in a city environment and try out my skills or lack of them riding in a busy city. Birmingham being the second city in the UK, 2 million people plus. So yeah, should be fun. There's also some quite cool tunnels on the underpasses, etc., around the centre of the city, plus the infamous Spaghetti Junction, which is just basically a massive junction of different roads coming into it at the north of Birmingham, which from above looks like a bit of a spaghetti mess. So we'll be going on that. Yeah, there we go. Things with motorbiking, I guess, is kind of obvious, but not something you necessarily think about. I've got an itchy nose and I can't really scratch it right now. I mean, I could lift my visor up and try and attack it, but maybe do that later. Crime 101, saw that last night, great film, good fun, definitely recommend that one. Some of you may wonder why I didn't take the motorway around into the top of Birmingham, but it's part of the fun. I just want to try out the the usual lanes and do a bit of lane splitting eventually. Bit of roadblock in there. Never mind. Coming into Spark Hill. This will be chaos, quite often is. back in the 80s, Birmingham had a thing called the Birmingham Super Prix, which was a Formula 3000 and various other races, Can-Am, etc. The Brawiers you see in front of me now were part of the original circuit, and the Armco is tethered to those metal little spikes that are on those blocks there. So quite cool. I came and saw it with my uncle back in the day, and he used to run all the way up to that thing and then back down here, up to the roundabout and back down here. So this was actually part of the original circuit, and then it tethered off at the top there, up ahead, left, and I think it went to the right then after that, down into the city. So it's quite cool. So now we're coming into central Birmingham. So this is the inner part of the inner ring road. I'm just going to follow this round. Down into one of Birmingham's famous underpasses. A lot of the city centre is all about the underpasses. Loads of them everywhere. Go again. St Chad's Tunnel northbound. of the centre of Birmingham, coming into the north, heading towards Spaghetti Junction. Done the tunnels, and yeah, now we're going northbound. We're going to go eastbound in a second. Let's get to the right, into the correct lane. This is Spaghetti Junction, as you can see. Lots of roads going around and in and out and over and under. There's roads beside us, roads above us again. Look at that over there. Don't know if you can see that. Lots of... Here we go. There's a canal running through the bottom of it as well. There we go, and we're up onto the M6 motorway. And there's lovely speed bumps. Little joints in the overpass, metal joints, are a delight to experience. Just get over here.